Welcome to our channel. If you're a Huntington Bank customer and need to view your account statement to monitor your financial activity, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Huntington mobile app on your smartphone or go to the Huntington Bank website using your web browser. Step 2. Log in to your account using your Huntington online banking username and password. Step 3. From the account dashboard, select the account for which you want to view the statement. Step 4. Click on Statements or Documents in the Account Details section. Step 5. Select the statement period you want to review from the list of available monthly statements. Step 6. Click on the selected statement to open it as a PDF file. Step 7. Review the statement information including all transactions, beginning and ending balances, deposits, withdrawals, and any fees. Step 8. Download or print the statement for your personal records or enroll in paperless statements to receive electronic delivery and email alerts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.